How to download and install NinjaTrader application on your smartphone. Hi everyone, welcome back to Trading for Beginners. In this video, I'm going to show you how to install the NinjaTrader app on your smartphone. So let's get started. First of all, open up your Google Play Store or your App Store and in the search bar type in NinjaTrader and search. Once you search for NinjaTrader from the search result, look for this application from NinjaTrader Group LLC and tap on the Get or the Install button. On your iOS, you'll need to authenticate with your Face ID, Touch ID or your Apple ID password. Go do that and then the download process will begin. Wait for the application to install on your smartphone, which will take a couple of minutes depending upon your internet speed. Just make sure you have a stable internet connection. And once you do, you'll be able to install the app in no time. After you are done with the installation, launch the app open and you'll be ready to explore trading tools, analyze charts, and practice with confidence. So that is how you easily download and install NinjaTrader app on your smartphone, whether you are using Android or iPhone. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.